Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Creative State of Mind with Casey, where I show you how to create beautiful DIYs and more on a budget. If that is something that you are interested in, please hit that subscribe button so you can see more content just like this and to be notified every time I upload a new video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Creative State of Mind with Casey. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this beautiful wreath stand that goes outside. This project was simple, easy, and budget friendly. It took no time to make, and it's very beautiful and very affordable. So stay tuned to see how I created this beautiful project on a budget. Alright, let's get started. So first things first was I sanded down my wreath post. Now I found this bed post on the side of the road, so it was absolutely free. And when I saw it, I immediately knew I wanted to turn it into a wreath stand. That's what I'm going to call it, my wreath stand. So I grabbed it, put it in my car, and I showed my husband. He was like, "What are you going to do with that?" And I was like, "I'm going to turn it into a wreath stand." So I just sanded it down. And now I am about to paint it. It was very simple to paint. I just chose a Waverly chalk paint in the color white to paint it because that dries very fast and you don't have to apply many coats to get a full, effect. But I did apply like 3 or 4 coats because this was a big project and I wanted to look as even and as full as possible. So give it as much coverage. So I did do about 3 to 4, coats. You could get away with 3, but me being a perfectionist, I just did about 3 or 4. I think I did 4. I did it last night, so I think I did 4. You see my little baby's hands over there? She's playing. But again, also I want to point out, I'm sorry that you guys do not see my husband drill in the little board at the bottom, as you see, because it wouldn't stand on its own, so I had to add some more wood to it. So I picked up this wood from Michael's. It's just a empty wood canvas, and I just my husband, he just drilled 5 holes at the bottom and he attached it to my wreath stand. And I'm sorry that you guys do not get to see that, but you do get to see him drill in these holes for my hooks. I made sure that I recorded that part for you. And the reason I didn't record the him doing the post at the end was because he wasn't here. I wasn't here when he did it. He was trying to be sweet and surprise me, but I was like, I need to record it so the people can see how you did it. But all he did was drill in 5 holes and attach it at the bottom to give it more balance so that it wouldn't fall over. Quick and simple. All right, now for the thing that it didn't take the most time, but it did take some time arranging my flowers the way I wanted to. I'm just gonna make a wreath because again, this is a wreath stand. So to go up my wreath stand, I am just going to add a pretty wreath. And I've had these hydrangeas here for a while. I got them from Michael's like earlier within the year, and I've had these for so long, and I always knew I wanted to do something with them because for one, I love hydrangeas, and these are so freaking pretty. I cannot tell you how pretty these are to me. I absolutely love them. So I finally got a chance to use them. I'm going to make my hydrangeas wreath today to put on my wreath stand to go outside. So that's all I did. I just inserted my flowers. Like you said, this is also just a regular wreath, grapevine wreath that I had got from Goodwill. I bought it from Goodwill for like $2, I think. So I really got that on a budget. So now for the thing that really, took the most time for me was making the bow. Now you do not need to make a bow because now that I'm looking at it, I just feel like my hydrangea wreath just looks so good just on its own. I do have my bow still up there, but if you do not want to add a bow, you do not have to because it will be so pretty without it. Either way, it's going to be beautiful. So with my easy bow maker, I'm just going to make me a cute wreath bow. And as you see, I measured my ribbon at about 5 inches on each side. So 10 inches, and when you fold it, it's going to be 5 inches. So that's all I'm doing, is I'm just folding it backwards, forward and backwards, forward and backwards. I suck at explaining how to do this because I feel like, anyway, like I said, I feel like I suck at explaining how to do this. There are more tutorials on YouTube on how to use the Easy Bow Maker, but just do what you see me doing. I did kind of unravel it and make it shorter because at first I had it at 6, but then I took it back down to 5 because this is a wreath bow and I didn't want my hoops to be too big, so I took it down to 5. And again, I'm just putting it into the little rods and then folding it over to make a hoop. And this is a really good investment. My husband bought it for me for Valentine's Day. He was so sweet to do that. And it's just an easy, quicker way to make bows. Because I do a lot of bows. I love bows. And it's just a quick and easy way. So, but like I said, I suck at trying to explain how to do this. So just do it. Do what you see me doing on the screen. But yeah, you're just folding it over, flipping it over. This is all, by the way, this is a 2-sided ribbon that I got from Michael's a while ago too, from Aria. I think that's how you say it, Aria or Aria. They have some really, really, really pretty ribbon. I love all their ribbon. And I'm just reusing some of ribbon that I had left over from a previous project. And then I'm going to take another brand of, another style of ribbon for Aria. It's like this pink glitter. It is so pretty. I used one similar to that in my Farmhouse window project with like the teal green color. It's the same thing, but this time it's pink. And it is just so pretty. I love pink. That's my favorite color. And it's so pretty. It looks so beautiful on the wreath. So again, I'm going to be doing the same thing with that. I was going to use the other ribbon that you see over there, but I decided not to because I had got a lot of ribbon with the 2 that I had already had. So I was like, let's not overdo it. So I just chose to. So yeah, now I'm just going to, make my loops and just do what you see me doing. Because like I said, I suck at trying to explain things sometimes. Okay. So I wanted to make this video on Thursday, but because this was a trash to treasure, like I said, I found this bedpost, because that's what it is. I found this bedpost on the side of the road, so of course it was trash to somebody, but when I saw it, I immediately knew I wanted to turn it into my wreath stand to put outside. So I picked it up, and like I said, I wanted to do it on Thursday, but my husband didn't bring home the wood screws and everything that I needed on Wednesday, so I had to wait till Thursday to make it, and now I'm posting on Friday. But yeah, and I'm so sorry if you hear my son in the background. He is playing. School is officially out now here in Georgia. Their last day of school, officially they would have been in school, was last Friday. So yeah, the summer has officially started for the kids. So if you hear him playing, that's what's going on. A lot of child playing in the background right now. But like I said, I wanted to post this on Thursday for Trash to Treasure Thursday, but it was not completed until really early this morning. So I just decided to post it anyway. I'm still going to do the Trash to Treasure theme to go with it because, like I said, I found it on the side of the road, so it was trash, and I turned it into something beautiful. And I am so happy about that. So, like I said, my husband just really, he was trying to help me out, but this video did not turn out the way I wanted to, mainly because of my husband. And again, I'm so sorry. I'm going to do another one, a smaller wreath post, because I do have some smaller wreath frames that I need to use. So I will do a smaller wreath frame that I can just put on my desk to display. So I will be doing another one so that way I can show you guys thoroughly every step that I did to create this beautiful wreath frame. Well, not wreath frame, wreath post. So yeah. And next week I will be doing some patriotic, DIYs, because of course Memorial Day is coming up. I think, yeah, Memorial Day is coming up. And then 4th of July, and it's summer. So it's time for all my summer DIYs and patriotic DIYs and just, have fun. So yeah, so look forward to those. I have a lot of great things coming up in the future that I cannot wait to show you guys. So as I finish up with this bow, I didn't know I had so much ribbon in this one. I thought I had like less than this, but apparently I had more than that. And as a crafter, we always say it's better to have more than not to have enough. So can't be happy that I had more than I thought I had it, because you don't want to be in a situation where you need more, you don't have it, because then you have to go spend some more money, or just axe the whole project itself and just start from scratch. So I was happy with that. And now I'm just gonna pull up all of my ribbon and tie it using my Chanel stem. Now, as you know, most of the time I don't use Chanel stems, but this, like I said, I will use some more ribbon that I had with another bow, and I already had a Chanel stem cut on it, so I just use this Chanel stem. And now I'm gonna fluff out my loops. Now if you're anything like me, you can never fluff out your loops enough. It's just fluffing, because it's just like you want it to be perfect, but in life nothing is ever perfect. So you just fluff. But you don't have to do all this fluffing. It's your bow. You do it to your liking. But with me, as you see, I'm doing a whole lot of fluffing because I want it to be as nice as possible. And it did turn out very, very nice. I'm already getting a lot of compliments on it. My neighbor said it was so pretty. I was like, thank you. I told my husband about it. But again, like I said, when I was looking at the wreath, the wreath, I was like, you know what, if I had just added more hydrangeas and just not even added the bow, it still would have been beautiful, on its own. But me, always trying to go the extra mile. That's me. Always trying to go the extra mile, make something more prettier, or like more adorable, or just being extra. But again, I really do think that this wreath just stands on its own with just the hydrangea. So if you want to add the bow, you can. It won't hurt it. And if you don't want to, that's great also. Either or, it will be beautiful. So like I said, this is just me just fluffing, and I know you don't want to see me fluff all these loops, because like I said, I am a perfectionist at heart. My mother tells me that all the time. So I'm just gonna kind of skip over all this kind of stuff and go towards the end, because even when I attached it to my wreath, I was still fluffing it. I was like, Casey, come on, leave it alone. It's fine. And that bow really did turn out beautiful. This is a wreath bow. And with my Easy Bow Maker, it gives you like a guide and directions to make all types of bows. And so this is like my version of like their wreath bow, I guess, because I made a wreath. And like this is my third time using my Easy Bow Maker. Like I said in my previous video, like my husband bought this for me for Valentine's Day, and he was like really making me feel guilty that I haven't been using it. So I was like, I gotta start using my Easy Bow Maker, because he bought it for me, because I said I wanted it, so let me use it. So yeah. Okay, once I am done obsessing about fluffing my bows and my loops, it's time for me to tie my bow onto my wreath. And with the Chanel stem, all I'm going to do is turn my wreath over and grab one of those. Again, I'm sorry, summertime. He's here playing. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna turn my my wreath over and just hook it on and tie it onto one of the little grapevines. And let me tell you guys, it turned out beautiful. I am obsessed with this wreath. I know I said it a lot, but I am truly obsessed with obsessed with this wreath. It has a lot of my favorite colors that I love. Pink. And this is like a spring pink. I know it's gonna be summertime, but I don't care. I love this pale, well, not really pale, but I just love this pink. So it's gonna be out. It's gonna be out, and who knows how long I may have it up. I don't know. It's just so pretty to me. Like I said, I've had these hydrangeas for a very long time. I've always wanted to use them, and now I have. So yeah, it's gonna be up for a while, and I'm obsessed with it. It is beautiful. I love it. Now I'm finna go hang it up on my wreath stand, and again I am fluffing my my bow out once more just to make sure it's perfect. And let me tell you guys, it is beautiful. I am obsessed. Okay, guys, that's it. I'm done. This wreath was so easy, so simple, so budget friendly. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with everything about this project, and I hope you guys loved it as much as I enjoyed making it, and as much as I'm obsessed with it, because oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Again, if you like this video, go subscribe to my channel, Creative State of Mind with Casey. Go like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Have a great and happy, safe weekend.